Welcome back. My name is Susan and this is Skullhead. So today I have to make a room spray. I'm all out. It's a homemade recipe that I use and I add it to little spray bottles and I leave them in the bathroom so that I always have an air freshener in the bathroom. Very easy recipe. Let me show you how I make mine. So to make your room spray is quite easy. In fact, I use the same bottle over and over again, and I just mix it right into the bottle. Now you can use bigger bottles if you wanted to, but I like the size of this one. It kind of nestles right in there and you know, with the rest of my stuff, and then just you can use it as you see fit. But so, and I just mix it right in the bottle as well. So what you're going to need for this recipe is you're going to need some distilled water. You're going to need some vodka, because you don't want to use regular alcohol that you would use, say, for wounds and stuff like that. You don't want to spray that. And then some essential oils. Now I usually use lavender. So if you are starting out with essential oils, start with lavender, lemon, orange, grapefruit. Those are ones that you're going to use over and over again, especially if you do your own sprays, or if you make, say, for instance, hairspray, or if you're going to make wipes. Lavender and lemon are quite often the essential oils that you're going to use for stuff like that. And then later on, if you want to change it up a little bit, you can always change it to another essential oil.
So you're going to start with 2 cups of distilled water. I use boiled water, which is fine too, and what you're going to do is you're just going to boil the water and let it cool before you use it. So then you're going to need 1 tablespoon of vodka, and now you're going to add your essential oils. I'm putting in 15 drops of lemon, 10 drops of the orange, and 7 drops of grapefruit. Now, like I had mentioned earlier, you can use whatever essential oils you have or what you like. Lavender is one of the cheapest essential oils that you could possibly buy. So is lemon, orange. I would start with stuff that's more economical for you, that is budget friendly for you, because essential oils can actually get very expensive. So now you're going to mix it all together in your bowl, and you're going to add it to whatever bottle that you have with a sprayer on it. So that's it. That's how easy it is to make room spray. And like I said earlier, you can make whatever fragrance you want. It's all personal preference. You can play around with it. If you don't like one, you make a smaller batches to start with, and then you can figure out what it is that you love. Now, I do have a Patreon page. By becoming a VIP Skullhead, you would have access to all the recipes that you can download and print off. You would also have access to any labels that I provide for any of the DIY recipes that I offer. So please consider it, as it would really help out the development of this channel.
So if you enjoyed this how-to video, check out those ones there, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye for now.